In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align right in Excel. Understanding how to properly align your data is essential for creating professional, readable, and well-organized spreadsheets. While Excel often automatically aligns text to the left and numbers to the right, there are many situations where you'll want to manually adjust this. Aligning content to the right is particularly useful for numerical values, financial data, or when you need a specific visual arrangement that enhances consistency and interpretability. It's a simple yet powerful skill that significantly improves the clarity of your work. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you grasp both the how and the why. Our first crucial step is to precisely select the data you wish to modify. You need to click the cell or cells containing the information you want to align to the right. This might seem straightforward, but the method of selection dictates exactly what Excel will apply the alignment change to. For a single cell, simply click on it. You'll see a green border confirming its selection. If you're working with a contiguous range of cells, click and hold your mouse button on the first cell, then drag your cursor across all desired cells. Release the mouse button, and the entire range will be highlighted. What if your data isn't directly adjacent? You can select multiple non-adjacent cells or ranges by clicking your first cell or range, then holding down the Control key while you click on other individual cells or drag to select other distinct ranges. This gives you precise control over scattered data. If you need to align an entire column or row, simply click on the column letter, like A, B, C, or the row number, like 1, 2, 3, at the top or left of your worksheet. This will highlight the entire column or row, and your alignment changes will apply universally within it. Always ensure your desired data is clearly selected before proceeding. This is foundational to applying formatting exactly where you intend. Once your cell or range of cells is accurately selected, the next step is to navigate to the Home tab. This tab is prominently located at the top of your Excel window and houses many of Excel's most frequently used formatting tools. Within the Home tab, direct your attention to the Alignment group. This section is specifically designed for controlling how your data is positioned within its cells. Look for a set of 3 distinct icons that represent horizontal alignment: Align Left, Center, and Align Right. The Align Right button is easily recognizable, typically depicted as several lines of text or data that are justified neatly along the right edge of the icon. It's usually the rightmost of these 3 horizontal alignment options within the group. Simply click on this Align Right button. As soon as you click, you'll immediately observe the selected data shift within its cell or cells, moving cleanly to the right-hand side. This action applies the right alignment formatting to all the cells you previously highlighted. This powerful yet simple tool is incredibly useful for standardizing numerical data, making it easier to compare figures down a column, or simply to achieve a specific aesthetic for your spreadsheet. Remember, if you ever wish to change the alignment again, you can always return to this same alignment group in the Home tab and select Align Left or Center as needed. It's a versatile feature that gives you full control over the visual presentation of your data, helping you create clear, professional, and easy-to-read spreadsheets every time.